So for the components for this circuit, let's see, look at our schematic. We definitely are going to need a servo motor, um, basic hobby shop servo motor, three wires on it, and most of them will come with this connector already pre-installed on there for you. And for the servo motors, they usually come with a few different um, uh, attachments that you can put on the shaft here. And I guess, for this one, I'll use this particular, um, two prop shaft to put on here. And make sure you have a screw to secure it down before you start, before you apply power to it. And now for the potentiometer, I have a couple types just to show you. Like the one I'm going to use is this type here. And again, notice the three prongs. One of these will go to the 5 volts, the other one will go to ground, and then this middle one, as you can see, if you look at it like this, you can see that this middle one here, this will be the one going to the analog pin. And this white part here is what turns, and so it usually comes with a little knob that you can attach to it, and that's the way that you can turn it. So this is one potentiometer, one style of potentiometer. Another style is probably more common, is that you see this. The knob is already attached to it. See it turns. You see the 3 pins on it. Now to identify what's pin 1, pin 2, and pin 3, it's actually marked here, so you'll know which ones that goes to 5 volts and which one goes to ground. All right, but for this particular video, I'm going to use this style here. Okay. And then we have two 100 microfarad capacitors here, and these do have polarity, and you'll note the polarity right here on the cathode with this black stripe, and you actually see the negative marks here, the negative sign symbol, that will go to ground. Okay. If you install these incorrectly, if you reverse the polarity, these can explode, so be careful with these. And also, to plug this 3-pin connector into our breadboard, you'll need a 3-pin header. These are called headers. Now, headers usually come on a big long strip that you can cut them up into different sizes. So I just cut off 3 pins, and so stick 3 of the pins here in this connector, and the other 3 will go into the breadboard. Okay? Then let's see, of course, our power and ground wires. And as far as jumpers, I'm going to use, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'll be using 6 jumper wires to complete this circuit. So not a lot of components, but a very important circuit an interesting circuit to build. So let's go ahead and get started.